Welcome to Ajay Guru, your trusted source for the latest updates and advanced analysis on global commodities. In today's video, we are diving into the current state of the wheat market with a focus on CBOT wheat futures and the factors influencing prices. Let's get started. As of August 23, the Chicago Board of Trade, or CBOT, saw wheat futures rise slightly. The December soft red winter wheat contract ticked up by 0.2%, settling at $5.36 per bushel in early trading. However, despite this minor uptick, the market remains under significant pressure, with prices hovering near their lowest levels since 2020. The primary force keeping prices subdued is the abundant supply of wheat, particularly from the Black Sea region. Russia, the world's leading wheat exporter, is expecting a large harvest, and exports from Ukraine continue to be robust despite ongoing challenges. This influx of cheap wheat has created a bearish sentiment in the market, leading speculators to bet heavily on further price declines. In addition to the strong output from Russia and Ukraine, other major wheat-producing countries are also contributing to the global supply glut. In the United States, forecasts for a robust wheat crop are helping to offset losses in European countries like France and Germany, where heavy rains have caused significant crop damage. Meanwhile, in the southern hemisphere, Argentina's wheat season is expected to improve, thanks to recent rainfall, and Australia is predicting above-average production levels. On the logistical front, a potential disruption in wheat exports was averted in Canada, where the government swiftly intervened to end a rail stoppage that could have affected shipments from both Canada and the United States. This decisive action helped to maintain the flow of wheat in global markets, further reinforcing the ample supply situation. With such a strong global supply and bearish market sentiment, it's no surprise that funds were net sellers of wheat futures on Thursday. This selling pressure has been a key factor in keeping prices low, despite the slight recovery we've seen today. Looking ahead, the wheat market remains in a delicate balance. While supply-side pressures are likely to persist, any significant changes in weather patterns, geopolitical events, or logistical challenges could alter the market dynamics. We'll continue to monitor these developments closely and keep you updated with the latest insights. That's all for today's update on CBOT wheat futures. If you found this analysis helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to Ajay Guru for more in-depth commodity market analysis. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.